So on this owl, we're going to do it facing, looking over its left shoulder, the other one's looking over its right shoulder, so it could be like a pair then, couldn't they? They could go together. So here's your owl, and I'm going to do horned owl again. So literally I've just started with upside down spade, so then so the owl's going to be chest, back, and then come down here to his legs. So probably about the same height, about a metre-ish, 100 centimetres, but a bit wider so I can have more angle on the back of the bird. So yeah, now get that in position, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe, and if you already have, thank you, appreciate it. 251C, MS 251. So resharpen, give the saw a little sharpen, refueled, put more oil in there. So that's the slope of the back of the wing going on. And then I'm just thinking I may have cut the head a bit small, so widen the angle to try and make the head look bigger than it actually is. So yeah, back to it. Good progress so far. So I'm going to cut the wing in and then turn it around and work on the other side. So you've got your shape of your wing, and then start shaping different planes of your wing. So I'm going to be doing the face cut. So the horns, coming down like that. So once you've done your up cut, there's like a lip left there, so I'm going to tidy that lip up. So then that there is going to be the tail feathers. Just do that little cut across the bottom of the wing feathers, just so you know where the tail's starting on the other side of the carving. So that cut there, I know where the tail's starting on this side. So there's the second owl on the rocks. Great horned owl. And I've just finished putting the linseed on it. I've done the Japanese shoe baoju on the bottom. Just burnt the wood, give it a good brushing, give it a good burn till it's black, and then give it a decent brushing, like a nylon brush. I'll give it a brush with these in your drill. Impact ones, put them in your drill and your impact driver, whatever you want to do. And there we go. That's the linseed oil that I use, and then after I just put my brush into that jar there, seal the jar, and then You don't have to burn your rag every time. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. If you already have, thank you very much, appreciate it. And I haven't showed how I've done the rocks on this video because I've done a video on just how to do rocks already that I put up yesterday. So I'll see when I can get this editing finished for this owl. And see you on the next one.